mechanics? Mechanics like Mobile Auto Service, the remote shop on wheels. Mechanics that come to you. Mobile Auto, 410-836-5525. All the same services of a traditional shop, but no towing required. We come to you. Or Bippers Auto, at their new location, 1800 West Grove in Fallston, Maryland. Experts in muffler repair, rebuilt engines, and of course, full-service auto repair. Bippers at 410-838-5060. Around the corner and down the street, that's where your hometown mechanics are, and you can find them at BelAirMechanics.com. BelAirMechanics.com.